That's the way we clean our cars here. Motor's all ready to go. We've gone as far as making sure that we got spark, and then we've got oil pressure. I can't remember what oil pressure we reached, but it was a bit of a close call because I hadn't put the distributor in correctly, and if we had started the engine we would have had no oil pressure at all and it would have exploded. So thankfully Tony spotted it and we put it right. Something, the distributor wasn't sat fully in and it wasn't engaging the oil drive. So Yellow Peril is pretty much ready for Saturday. And hopefully Mr. Tony's going to be able to be here. He's busy on Saturday, but hopefully he'll be able to make it. We've also got our fan. We've wired up this fan for a big rad. And that's the switch for the fan, the new switch for the fan. Gav's going to clean it up a bit and we're going to weld one of the seats back in again.
Shall I paint it, the floor?
Black. Maybe paint it if you want to paint it.
Paint it black.
And there's a gentleman's helmet that used to own the car. So yeah, it's all go here at Rush to Love headquarters. Thanks to Tony, we've done a lot today because it was getting a bit leery. So yeah, everything's connected, and we'll see you guys on Saturday at 12 o'clock for a live stream. Also guys, thank you for you guys that have booked hotels for the 26th when Dude Stock's happening. I really appreciate your commitment and effort to joining us here to do the live stream, the Dude Stock barbecue and music and all that. So we look forward to seeing you all, and we're going to make sure that it's worthwhile, all the effort you're putting in. Anything to add? Anything to add?
Can't wait to see you Saturday.
Tony, anything to add?
No.
Okay.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll, guys. See you this Saturday live stream, 12 o'clock UK time. Rusty Love You channel. See you later. Bye.